Now she's stepping on my neck.
We'll move her.
Then where's William? I can't remember.
He's the littlest.
Is it this one? Is it this one?
No, well, I don't know. Is he little?
Is it this one?
You'll know when you pick.
She just keeps climbing up.
Well, she's trying to give you kisses.
See, look.
Like, I want to give my buddies kisses. Look at that tail going. Wag, 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 wag.
And she's also sticking. Get away.
Oh, were they getting your toes?
Sticking out. He was climbing over my eye.
Wait. No, he's got your head. He's getting your ear.
Ow. I got a towel on me.
You have a towel on you.
She was wet. He was.
Is that Delilah? Is that Delilah Jane? I can't tell till I look at their face. Look at that.
I just not good.
Gentle, gentle.
Oh, she did grow in some teeth.
I told you. Don't drop her.
Happy birthday. Is Carter a boy or a girl?
Carter's a boy.